How to turn on or turn off magnifier shortcut on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on accessibility. Then we tap on vision enhancements at the top. From here, we scroll down and tap on magnifier. Then tap on the magnifier shortcut toggle button to turn it on. Once you turn it on for the first time, there are 3 different options that you can choose. Tap accessibility button, press side and volume up buttons, press and hold volume up and down buttons for 3 seconds. So you can choose one or all of them. Then tap on OK. Here to use magnifier, we can tap on the accessibility button, then tap on magnifier, and then tap on allow. And that's it. So here we got magnifier. So we can zoom it right in. Or we can zoom out using the slider bar here. We can turn on touch to increase clarity. We can capture the image and we can save it if you want to save it. So capture, then save if you want to save, or you want to share, you can share. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.